Okay, let's talk about paradigms for a moment, shall we? I know you want to. Finally, we get to discuss it. You're at the point now where you need to identify your paradigm. You should already have your problem done. You should have it done pretty tailored, pretty clearly by now. And now you have to make sure you have your paradigm done. The discussion that we had with Eileen at the library this last time, where she started telling you to pick out those various words, that should have allowed you to go ahead and get even further, define further your paradigm. And then hopefully between then and now, you've spent time on it each day, because this is all about making it manageable, remember. You've got to put a little bit of time every day into this class. Hopefully you've spent the time between the time you met with Eileen and now to actually think about your paradigm and develop it. Go back to page 95 in your Magrino-Geller book and you'll see the discussion about paradigm. How do you support your claim that your plan is the best way to address the problem? A paradigm gives you the support. And remember, it's got two aspects to it. You might think of paradigms as ideally having two parts along the scientific model. Models of success and a theoretical frame. Two parts. You must identify both a theoretical portion of your paradigm as well as a model of success. And if you go back to that Gladwell discussion, that Gladwell piece that we read about the office space, you might remember that we had an example there. The theoretical part of the paradigm for him was that innovation, you can increase innovation and improve innovation by looking at the physical proximity among people. Okay? Now you probably think, what's the paradigm there? Well, look, most people would think about innovation by saying, how can we get smarter? How can we improve education? Here he said, no, no, no. The paradigm is, the theory that we're going to look at is the relationship, the physical relationship, the physical proximity that we have among people. And he brought out a model of success when he looked at the Steelcase building. So you can see that's an example of a paradigm as well as a model of success. Your paradigm is not your plan. Some students have talked to me about it the last couple of days, and you need to understand that's not what it is. So that's what our paradigm is. You've got to make sure that you understand that, and this is the time where you've got to identify it, because you have to have that in order to have your sales letter done correctly. So go ahead and go on to the next portion of the assignment, please.